Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and this is Little Tooth Adventures, where I am going to show you how to sew things, as well as give you some sort of inspiration for reworking thrifted items. Today I'm going to be starting a new series, another new series, called Rework Roundup. I'm going to show you a few before and afters of some of my recent and favorite reworks that I've done. Let me show you. Well, I hope that inspired you for some of your future reworks. Let me know what your favorite was in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.